Good morning. My name is Gregory Pope, founder of SpinalSurgeryMexico.com. This morning we're in the city of Querétaro at the Querétaro Airport to pick up Aaron. Aaron is going to have a cervical disc replacement with Dr. Mario Simone, MD, FACS. And please watch the video. I think you'll find it very interesting. Thank you very much.
Hello, Greg, how are you?
Good to see you.
Good to see
Nice
you
to
too.
meet you. I'm Aaron.
This is Aaron.
Okay.
Long time coming.
Nice to meet you finally.
Yeah, you too. I'm looking
Okay.
forward to it. Should be fun.
Perfect. Hello, I'm here at Casa Marino in San Miguel de Allende, making a house call for Mr. Aaron Flynn, who had surgery last Tuesday, May the 3rd, from cervical spine. He previously had a surgery in Canada where they put two prostheses between C5, C6 and C6, C7. And the one at C5, C6 was moved to the back, to the spinal canal, and it was impinging the spinal cord. And the other prosthesis, the lower one, C6, C7, was working okay. But this one at C5, C6 made a breach of bone, and it was engulfed in this very, very hard bone. So we had to take it off of that prosthesis. So we drill the bone, the C5 vertebral body completely. We take him out, and we make the discectomy at C4, C5, which he had also an adjacent segment because of the fixation he had done in the C5, C6 space. So we took the C5 vertebral body out, take out the prosthesis, and instead of that, we put a new prosthesis, which is called ADD+, which is a vertebral replacement. And he's doing very well, and we're happy again. Another successful case from Canada. And we are here to help you in any way we can with your spine. Thank you very much. This looks just fantastic. It's a little bit swollen,
Yeah.
but
It's gone down quite a bit.
yeah.
So
And you move your head like this. Okay. To the side, the other side.
that's
Okay, that hurts.
yeah, a little bit.
Little
It's
bit.
tighter. Well, I think probably because that's the side that you went in through.
Yeah. Put your hands like this, please. Don't let me
Okay.
push it. Okay, that's perfect. Now you push me. Okay. A big squeeze of hands. Oh, super.
I can
Like
go
this?
harder if you want.
Yeah? Does that hurt? Oh,
No.
no?
No.
Great.
Yeah. So that's good. Yeah, that was awesome. I appreciate it, especially seeing now. Like, I like that I got to see after. Like, it just makes me appreciate the work that much more, right? So I knew you were saying it's going to be a hard one going in, and you said after, oh, it was hard. But seeing that, it's like, holy shit, yeah, that looks like that was hard, man. So I appreciate it. That was
My
awesome.
pleasure, Aaron. My pleasure.
Hi, I'm Gregory Pope, founder of SpinalSurgeryMexico.com. Today I'm with Aaron Flynn. Aaron came here 9 days ago, admitted into Star Medica Hospital in the city of Querétaro to have a surgery with Dr. Mario Simone, MD, FACS. It was a cervical surgery. More importantly, I would like to let Aaron tell you his story and his adventure of coming to Mexico to have a cervical surgery with Dr. Simone. So thank you very much for watching the video, and if we can help you, you can contact me at Gregory Pope at SpinalSurgeryMexico.com, or you can give me a phone call at area code 772-419-8061. And thank you for watching the video.
Hi, I'm Aaron Flynn, down here in Mexico. I came down from British Columbia, Canada, and I came to get surgery. So I've had neck issues for years, and I had one surgery done in Canada, but it didn't work, and they weren't willing to fix it. So I had to look around and try and find somebody who was, and this was one of the people I contacted. And I ended up coming down. They were great. They had a lot to say. They were very helpful. The doctor was amazing. Like, he even gave me a call before I even came down here, talked to him on the phone, talked to Greg on the phone, and just to see if we're both on the same page for what we wanted to do and get out of the surgery. And after some time considering it, and I checked with some other people, other surgeons, to see, you know, maybe if along the same lines, and everyone pretty much had the same thing to say. And I don't know, I just decided Mexico was the place to go. I liked how they presented themselves, and the effort they put forward to trying to help me as much as possible in order to get me down here to get fixed. So I flew out of Canada at late at night, got into Mexico City, and then to Querétaro. I can't pronounce it still. And they picked me up there. Greg was there to pick me up, and a driver, and they came and brought me straight to the hospital, where I met with the doctor right away. And, you know, we chatted for a little bit, and then he took me up to the room and explained everything that they were going to do. And my surgery was a little complicated, so we weren't sure which avenue we were going to go, and we weren't going to know that until they actually got in there to do the surgery. The doctor, I felt, was very competent in his things. I did a lot of research before coming down, and I couldn't find anything bad to say about the doctor and the previous surgeries he's done. So I was pretty confident in it. And so I went in for surgery and then came out, spent 3 days in the hospital. Everyone there is awesome. But yeah, the people there are awesome, so willing to help you. And the doctor, I couldn't believe, was like the friendliest guy, the most personable kind of person. He's just like a regular guy. You can go and talk to him. Up in Canada, surgeons like that, they're not like that. So that was awesome. So I got picked up at the hospital and driven to Casa Marino, and it's a great drive. Got there, and Greg was there to greet me, introduce me to the people who help him here at the house, and they were fantastic too. Yeah, they made great food. They take care of you. Everything's looked after. It's clean. It's anything you need, just, you know, don't hesitate to ask. If they can help you, they will. So yeah, I was really happy with my stay. I would have liked to maybe be able to stay a bit longer in order to get out and enjoy the town a lot more, because it's really cool, historical town, and lots to see. So I wanted to say that Dr. Simone, he came and made an actual house call. Like, I didn't have to go into the hospital, so he came to Casa Marino and to check on me and everything. And I came to find out that they had not just one neurosurgeon, but there was 4 of them, because I guess I had a hard, complicated case. So he wanted to make sure they had all hands on deck there to go in and do a good job, which I believe he did. And so I definitely want to thank Dr. Simone and his staff too. Everybody there was great. They were really friendly, willing to help you all the time. Anytime you need anything, just buzz them, call them, ask anything. They'll help you. As well as thank Greg Pope. He was awesome. He would take me out around town. He'd make sure I was looked after, that I was comfortable, and his staff as well. So yeah, it was a really good experience. And if you're hesitant on it, well, it's understandable. I was too, but it was the right choice. So that's it for me. And thanks again, everyone. And thank you for watching the video.